Okay, so I wanted to do a quick video on this Aqua spa because there wasn't much on the internet. I was having trouble with the pump, wasn't running at all. Normally it runs whenever it's heating up and you can adjust these and the jets will come on. But the pump wasn't running at all. It had electrical everywhere else except for on the pump. So when you look inside this panel, there's a little white fuse down here. And for some reason that fuse had blown. So I went to Lowe's and picked up one of these microwave fuses. It's a 20 amp, 250 volts. So when you do your multimeter, you can do the little, either the resistance or that sound one to test these. So if it makes a noise, that's a good fuse. This is the one that was in there that's bad, so obviously that fuse is blown. So pretty easy fix. Unfortunately, nothing in the manual at all or really on the internet that I could find, so thought I would just do a quick video. Pretty easy fix when you figure out what it is.